Number 20, polygon LMNPQR is shown on the coordinate grid and models the shape of a garden in a park. Polygon LMNPQR will be dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create polygon L prime M prime N prime P prime Q prime R prime. The vertex Q prime will be located at 21, 7. Which rule best represents this dilation? So when we're looking at dilations will be expanding and shrinking, so it's going to change shape. We got to decide whether it's going to get smaller in its value or larger in its value. So that's going to be either multiplication or division, and fractions are division. So we want to look to see, is there anything that's going to indicate a translation or a move or a slide in here? And actually B and C are translations. That they won't dilate at all, so we can actually eliminate B and C right away. But let's set this up to figure out which of these answer choices, A or D, will be the right answer with dilations. So we're going to take the original point of X and Y, and we circled Q there in orange. And if we look at the point of the original of Q, it's going to be 6, 2. And we're just going to set this up proportionally so we can kind of see how the value is changing. So 6, 2 was our original point, and it says that it's going to relocate. The new Q prime, which will be after dilation, will be 21, 7. So we really just need to figure out what happened to our value as it went from 6, 2 to 21, 7. It looks like it's getting larger, so we need to find if we can either divide 21 by 6 to find it, or find out what do we multiply 6 by to get 21. If you divide 21 by 6, you actually get 3.5. So it means it's going to be 3.5. 21 is 3.5 times bigger than 6. And since it is a proportion, 7 is also 3.5 times bigger than 2. So it's going to expand. So when we look at our answer choices, our answer choice has to be D, because 7 halves is the same as 3.5, and we know that our scale factor has increased by 3.5 times. So polygon LMNPQR will be dilated with the origin as the center of dilation to create polygon L prime M prime N prime P prime Q prime R prime. Our answer choice has to be D. The value of x, y changed to 7 halves x, 7 halves y.